This terrified the mother and her 2 children. They didn't dare waste a second and ran for their lives. The whole world had already been taken over by terrifying monsters. If they made even the smallest sound, the creatures would be attracted immediately. At this critical moment, the boy accidentally stepped on a bear trap. The pain was unbearable and spread through his whole body. Luckily, the mother quickly covered his mouth, preventing a disaster. After calming her son, she used all her strength to pry open the trap. But the loud metal crack instantly caught the monster's attention. They began to roar and rush toward them at full speed. What happens next is pure tragedy.